Hi everybody! Welcome to another episode of S'mores and More, where we take the traditional campfire treat and turn it on its head. I'm really excited about today's episode. In fact, today's episode is something new, something I haven't even tried before. A few weeks ago, my friend Tori shared a post on Facebook. I'll throw it up on the screen right now. I asked my son to make me a crunchy peanut butter and jelly sandwich. IDK, WTF, this is. I'm not going to say all those words, what they mean. I can't get to monetize this early in my channel's career. But we're going to take that post and use it as an inspiration for a brand new s'more that we're going to make today. We are going to use that and make a crunchy peanut butter and jelly s'more. Alright, so for today we need 5 ingredients. We need graham crackers. We need marshmallows. We need your preferably smooth peanut butter. We need jelly. I'm using strawberry today because that's what it looks like they used in the picture. And Captain Crunch. Now it doesn't really matter if you use crunch berries or heck, you can use peanut butter crunch if you really wanted, but I'm just using the regular old Captain Crunch out of this, picking all the berries out. So let's get to making a s'more. So first you're going to want to take that s'more and break that graham cracker in half. And now let's go on to, now here's the question of time. Are you a person that does jelly first or peanut butter first? I am the type of person that will put the jelly on the bread first. So that's what I'm doing. Ooh, there's a big old glop of jelly. So, since this is a new recipe even for me, I don't know what to tell you. I'm gonna make sure it has a nice, good, solid dab of jelly on there, just like that. All right. And put the lid back on that. And then we're gonna take our peanut butter, and I really don't wanna, I think we're gonna have to get another knife. I normally am the kind of person that uses the same knife, but you know what? We can spare no expense. It's a nice, thick, nice, good, solid, thick layer of peanut butter on there. I know we just did a peanut butter inspired episode last week too. Oh, that's so good. But I saw this post and I really wanted to try it out. So we've got the peanut butter, we've got the jelly. Now let's make it crunchy. All right, so I gotta give the kid credit. It looked like that peanut butter was all nicely laid out. And for me, I can get 4 rows of crunch. I have no idea what to call this. Obviously, a crunch berry is the berries, but I don't know what you call the cereal part. The crunch, the kernels, the kernels crunchers, the kernels. Whew. This is taking a hot second. I'll be right back with you in just a second. Ah, all done. I mean, it looks good. I really can't wait to see how this tastes. I mean, I sort of have an idea. I've made peanut butter and jelly s'mores in the past, but making them crunchy, this will be an experience. All right, so we got the peanut butter down, we got the crunch down, we got the jelly down. Now it is time for our marshmallow to put it all together. So we go over to Marshmallosaurus Rex, keeper of the marshmallows. Thank you, Marshmallosaurus Rex. And it is time to get toasty. Did you know that based on his uniform, there's been debate that the captain is actually a corporal or a commander? I don't know how that ended up, but whew, I'm assuming he's still the captain in my eyes. Did you know that the reason they made it Captain Crunch instead of originally it was Captain Crunch? But then the voiceover artist, this is what I've been told, the voiceover artist said Captain, and they loved it so much they just changed the cereal. Alright, we'll be back with you in just a second. And there's smoke, and where we're seeing smoke, oh, that's a nice toasty marshmallow. Okay, so I've got to make the judgment call. I've got to say that you got to put the marshmallow on top of the crunchy cereal. If you try to put it on the jelly part, it's just going to slosh around. Now, granted, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be making a mess in a hot second anyway, but let's just get this down there. All right. Okay, and the final part, here we go. Yeah, nice. Nice. Oh, look at that. That is... Bring that up to the S'more Vision camera. Look at that. That is kind of a monster of a s'more. So here we go. Your crunchy peanut butter and jelly s'more. Let's find out how it tastes. Oh, it's getting gooey already. Oh, where's a good spot to eat? I guess right here. Well, my first reaction, it's definitely crunchy, maybe crunchier than normal. It's a little weird. Okay. So what I would say is, when you compare it to other s'mores, you're always getting that crunch from the graham cracker. What this is doing is like, you don't really even taste the Captain Crunch, but you definitely get that extra crunch in your mouth. But you don't taste it. It's just another grain in there. But it does, I will never complain about a peanut butter and jelly. There is something just so inherently good about a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And when you can put it on a s'more and throw a marshmallow right there in the middle of it, ooh, that's some ooey gooey good fun. Alright, well, I'm glad I tried this out still. If you like what you saw, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Really helps out the channel. Here on S'mores and Dinosaurs, we're bringing you new s'mores and paleontological content every week. Oh, this thing is falling apart. Until next time, stay curious. This is really good. It is all over my hands.